Hello and welcome to the video. I'm going to be showing you how to create and host your own DayZ server. To kick things off, go to your Steam library, go to Tools and find DayZ server. Right click on it and select Install. In my case, I've already installed it, so I'm going to go to Properties, Local Files and Browse Local Files after you've downloaded it, of course. Go back a folder, copy DayZ server, and in my case I'm going to paste it on my desktop. Open up the folder and open serverdz.config. This is the folder where most of the server variables can be changed, such as the host name, password and admin password. For this tutorial I'm going to set it to test server. I'm not going to have a password on it, which means anyone can join it. If you want to put a password on your server, it means anyone joining your server must know that password. And for the admin password, I'm going to make it dux123. Ooh. I'm going to keep the max players at 60, and everything else here you can read through yourself. It has a great description beside it, so if it applies to you and you need to change it, it tells you how to change it and it shows you what it is. So save this, close out of that, and create a text file. Open up the text file and paste in the following. This can also be found in the server description. Whoops. Right, so what we need to do here is we need to show this file where the server files are located. So to do that, just come up here, right click on DayZ server, copy address, and paste it in here. Making sure that you've still got DayZ server _x64.exe there. Also just here, paste that in, and just here. Making sure you have /battleye on the end of that. Need to set a CPU count. I'm going to set it to 4. And the port. By default, it's 2302. I already have something bound to 2302, so I'm going to set mine to 2702. Hit File, Save As, and name it whatever you like, as long as it ends in .bat. And ensure that the save as type is all files. Hit save. This will create a batch file in your folder, and you can now delete this text file. Double click on server start.bat and this will launch your server. You can close this pretty soon afterwards, and this is the server console. And the mission file does take around 30 seconds to load. Right, once your server's fully started, we can go ahead and hop in game. So now that we're in game, you can go ahead and click on Change Server and go to LAN. This will show you the server if it's hosted on the same machine that you're playing on. And if you've port forwarded both the port that you set in the text file, so in my case it's 2702, but by default it's 2302, and you've port forwarded the Steam Master and Steam Query port, you can go ahead and click on Community and you will see your server pop up in Community like it does here. I'm going to go ahead and join. And here we are in game. And to make sure that our admin privileges are working, you can go and type #login and then your password. Now it says system logged in as admin, so our admin privileges are working. There aren't many admin privileges, but I'll leave a link to what you can do with admin on the servers at the moment. Anyway, that's how you set up your own DayZ server. I'll have some videos coming soon showing you how to edit some of the variables such as loot spawning and zombie spawning and stuff like that, so stay tuned for those videos. Anyway, have a good one.